No shortage of excitement here at the BMO Metals and Mining Conference. We're day 2, and Frank Holmes, CEO of U.S. Global Investors, joins me now. Frank, welcome.
Great, and you know what? It's an epic moment.
Right, epic.
It's epic.
Have you seen anything like it?
Never. And the mega mergers and what's taking place, you know, I think also for this conference, they try to measure metrics. And last year they had 6,000 half-hour one-on-ones. This year, 7,000.
But you feel the energy in the room is different this year, right?
It's very different. It's cautiously bullish. You know, it's not ranting and raving. But I think this whole epic of Newmont and Goldcorp and Randgold and Barrick, now Barrick, think of Barrick merges with Newmont. Okay, let's figure this one out. Put it together. 14 million ounces they can replace in a year. We can hardly get a few companies find 3 million ounces. There's a real issue here, and that's why I invested in Goldspot, because it's AI to try to find these reserves that are not there. You have to have a new approach, a new technology to be able to find it. And so this is a company that all the small cap gold producers, under 500,000 ounces, from 50,000 to 500,000, they're going to be able to outperform any of these type of mega mergers.
So you think ultimately, let's say if it were to go through, it would be a good thing for the industry?
No, I think, no, I don't think so. I think that if Barrick wins, and Mark yesterday, Bristow, was opaque on where the jurisdiction would be. If he is not an American company, he gets delisted out of the S&P 500. That stock will crash. He cannot say, I'm a little bit here, a little bit there. He can't be half pregnant. He has to be fully pregnant, and he has to be in America and as black and white.
But like, look at the magnitude of the miner it would create. No other company would be able to catch up to that #1 spot should it form.
Oh, but that's the peak. And we got peak gold, and that merger is peak mining.
All right, let's talk gold prices.
So you want to get the SMIDs, you want to get the small and mid-cap stocks, like Gran Colombia, Kirkland Lake. You know, these are companies of big cap and small cap that have organic growth, but both of them have high grade. Stay away from low grade.
Okay, let's talk gold prices now. 1330, that was the magic number. Everyone said gold had to break. It did, but it's come back down.
Who cares? Okay. It's a buying opportunity. Buy on the pullbacks. What's happening with gold will take 3 years for people to wake up. It's happening with palladium. So there's a deficit in palladium. There's a need for palladium.
1,500 today.
And why? Oh, why? People, they can't understand. It's in deficit, but all these cars, electric cars, whatever, they all need palladium. Diesel cars need palladium. They need this metal, so it's in deficit. Peak supply in gold is going to put it in deficit for demand. Look at the mint, you know, their coins are gone. You know, it's time to back up at Kitco and buy some more coins. And I go to Monet, which I love. Monet, buy that 24 karat gold jewelry, because the upside is much greater than the downside.
All right, so you're feeling good. You're feeling good about this market, Frank.
If you're not long, you're wrong.
All right, well, I appreciate you stopping by. I know you want to catch the next talk, so thank you so much, Frank Holmes.
Great, and I forgot one great last stock, Ivanhoe Mines. It has growth.
And another thought, am I allowed to say it's your birthday tomorrow?
It is.
All right, happy birthday, Frank.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. We'll have much more for you on Kitco.com.